In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the HomeTax website to download documents in order to claim tax deductions and credits for the 2020 tax year. It's not mandatory to do this for tax filing, but it's super quick and easy, and it could reduce the amount of taxes you have to pay, so it could help you get a nice refund. Just be aware that document compilation on the HomeTax site closes on February 15th, 2021. So if you miss the deadline, you'll have to manually compile your documents, which takes a lot of time and effort. So first, you will need to open up Internet Explorer. This is very important for many Korean websites because they don't work well with Chrome or other browsers. At various points in the process, you may be prompted to download plugins or extra security programs. This is super common when working with Korean sites, so just download it and start again if it happens to you. So the site you will be visiting is hometax.go.kr. You're going to need to click on the first box that appears. Here, you need to enter your name in as it appears on your ARC. So that would be all capital letters, last name, first name, second name, and here you're going to put in your ARC number. So we have two options for logging in. I'm going to be demonstrating the first option, which is how to log in using a digital certificate, or 인증서 as it's called in Korean. So if you bank online in Korea, you will have needed to set up a digital certificate in order to bank online. So it should be saved to your mobile, USB, PC, and it's just to verify your identity. If you are unsure where your digital certificate is stored, you can easily log into your online banking and download a new one. Or if you've never done this before, it may be time to set up online banking so you have this ready. If you're a public school teacher, you can also use your NICE account and use the digital certificate connected with that account. This second option has a number of different ways to log in, such as through your Kakao ID, but I won't be showing you how to do this today. So I'm going to click on the first box. So my digital certificate is saved to my USB, so I'm going to select this here. And I'm going to type in the same password that I use for all my online banking. Then I'll click enter. Okay, so this sign will pop up if the website is congested. So you just have to be patient and wait it out until they let you into the site. Okay, we've finally been let onto the site. Sometimes there's a pop-up that comes up before they let you in. If that does happen to you, just tick agree and enter. So the first thing you're going to want to check is make sure that the year 2020 is selected and make sure that all the months of the year are selected. All these boxes represent different categories that you can claim for. So for example, I'm going to select health insurance, and this is going to show me the total of all the contributions I made to health insurance in 2020. If I select debit card, it gives me a tally of all the purchases I made on my card that count towards deductions. It automatically gets recorded anytime I use my card to make a purchase, so it's really convenient to use your card for this purpose. If I select cash receipts, then it'll show me a tally of all the things I paid for in cash throughout the year. Now, in order to record this when you make cash purchases, you will have needed to sign up for cash receipts previously. I can make another video showing you how to do this if it would be useful. I also wanted to point out that here you'll see there is a deduction for monthly rent. So technically it isn't possible for foreigners to register to claim this. However, there is a way to register your rent as a cash receipt, and make it count this way. So let me know in the comments if you'd like me to show you how to do this. So now that you've selected all the categories that apply to you, you can go ahead and select this box. This pop-up will appear and you can just double check that all the categories you want to claim for have been selected, and then you will click here. So here you will see that you can save the document as a PDF. So this is the PDF that you're going to want to give to your employer to make sure that all these categories count for when they calculate your taxes. I hope you found this video useful and informative. I will be making more career and how-to videos in future, so please subscribe if you would like to see more.